Hello guys, magandang hapon. Today is January 6, 2024. Happy New Year, prosperous New Year to all of us. Yung Montero ko ay naubos na ang battery. So may nag-recommend na 2 years na ang battery niya. Ngayon may nag-recommend na gagamitan ko ng Amaron. Amaron is made in India at sabi nila yung lifespan niya mga at least 3 years. As of this recording, yung presyo ng Amaron na canvas ko, ang pinakamababa ay 7,300 dito sa Iloilo. Yung ibang store 7,900, but this one sa isang store is 7,300. So kumuha ko ng isa, may 18 months warranty, and then i-install natin dito sa Montero. At susulatan natin kung when it started para malaman natin kung totoo nga na 3 years ang lifespan ng Amaron na to. Right, so I will write the details kung anong modelo ng Amaron at para matsubukan nyo rin at makashare kayo ng mga experiences ninyo. Alright? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Jerry Gilbs TV. Let's go!